Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to generate AI images for free using CloudFlare. The first step is to visit the plugin settings page and follow this tutorial to fill these required fields. Under WordPress Automatic Plugin, click Add New Campaign. Select your desired campaign type. For example, we will create AI articles. Add your desired keyword. Move down to the AI integration box. Set the provider for image generation to CloudFlare. Move down to the featured image option. Enable the option to set the featured image using AI. You can set your desired prompt or leave the default one. You can also enable the force option to ignore other image sources. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new post was created successfully. A featured image was generated using AI, and it matches the post topic. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.